Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how you can easily configure the integration between Formstack and Google Sheets for free and without coding. I'll do it using the Epyway service. Epyway is a free integration platform where you can find appropriate software and integrate it with each other without any coding. Just make a few clicks. Epyway charges money from software vendors and promote them in the software marketplace. That's why it is totally free and has no time limits for end users. Now let's move on to the integration. I've made a small survey in advance using the Formstack service. As you can see, here I have 3 fields: name, email, and phone number. Also, I've made a sheet in the Google. In the first row you can see the same fields. Now let's go to the Epyway. First you need to sign up. After you've done this, go to the tab Apps and add Formstack and Google Sheets. Then go to the My Apps. Now you should connect them to your accounts. If you click on the Formstack, you will see that it is already connected. Now let's connect Google Sheets. Click the button Plug, then Sign in with Google. On this page you should choose which account you want to connect. And next click the button Allow. It returns you to Epyway and you will see the green text again. Now both apps are connected. So we can start to configure the integration. Click Create a Way. You can give it the name which you want. For example, Formstack and Google Sheets. It will be easier to find it later. Here you should specify the trigger. In our case, it is Formstack. Here select Form Completed. And here you can see the link. If you try to go through this link, it won't work. It's only an address to which the data will be sent. Receiving data to this link will be the trigger. You should copy it. Now I return to the Formstack, go to the Settings, click Email and Actions, and here in Advanced Settings, find Webhooks. Different services may have this in different places. If you can't find it by yourself, you can ask for technical support. You should click Add Webhook and paste the link here. Also, you can change its name and choose additional settings if you want. After you finish with this, click Create Webhook. Next, go to the Epyway and click Update Available Fields. Now you have 3 minutes to complete the form. It will be the test data which will teach the service to receive the information. I go to my survey and complete it. Then I return to Epyway again, and you can see that various fields have appeared here. They vary in different services. Now let's set up an action. In the field Choose a Service, choose Google Sheets. If you connected all correctly, you will see it here. Here choose Create Spreadsheet Row. It means when you get new data, the system will fill in the rows in the sheets with information. Then test the connection, and after that click Update Available Fields. First, select the spreadsheet that you need. Then select Worksheet. Here you can have a lot of worksheets, but you have to choose that one in which you want to add information. For me, it will be sheet number 1. And the service shows you fields which you have here in your sheet. Click the plus sign for name and choose what you need here. Name for name, email for email, and so on. Then click Test and Activate. If you want to edit it, you should find it in the tab My Ways, deactivate it, and change everything you need. But don't forget to activate it again. Now I will complete the survey one more time to check that everything works. Transmission of the data may take a little time. Sometimes it appears immediately, sometimes you have to wait for a while. The time of waiting is up to 15 minutes. Now I go to Google Sheets, and you can see that the information is here: name, email, phone number. In such way, data will appear in rows below, filling in the sheet. In this way, you can easily make integration and automate your work. And of course, don't forget to go to the Epicway website, look through the categories, choose appropriate software for you, and make your business process better.